How to unhide and hide Instagram notifications in lock screen or notification center. Let's get started. First of all, you have to launch these settings in your mobile device. After that, navigate to apps. Then tap on see all apps. From here, navigate to search bar from the top right corner and in the search bar, search for Instagram. Once you get into app info page of Instagram, now you have to go to notifications from the top. Now on the notification, there is a direct section. So under that direct section, tap on Instagram direct or direct. Now on this page, again scroll down a bit and then tap on lock screen. After that, a pop-up box will appear in your interface with three options. Now if you like to hide the Instagram notifications, then from here choose the last option that says don't show all notifications at all. And with that, you have hidden the notification for Instagram. Now if you like to unhide it, again tap on it and then search the or select the first option that says show all notification content. So in this way you can hide or unhide the Instagram notifications in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.